Use acronyms when you're teaching your content. Hi, I'm Arvee Robinson. I'm the Master Speaker Trainer, International Speaker, and author of Speak Up, Get Clients. And I've been training business owners for over 17 years on how to use public speaking to market themselves. And one of the common traits and questions I get is, how do I teach the content? How do I teach the content in such a way that it becomes more interesting and people want to hear it? And I say acronyms. Always use acronyms. Those are those little words that mean something different when you use them for your content. So let me give you an example. One of my acronyms, and I love acronyms, and my students know I use acronyms, and one of my acronyms is LEADS. And it's all about why should people be using public speaking to generate leads. And the L stands for leverage, the E stands for expert, the A stands for audience, the D stands for database, and the S stands for stories. And that becomes my content. Now, why should you use acronyms? Because they create curiosity with your audience. They create that excitement. People don't know what each letter stands for. So it helps your audience to learn better and create that curiosity. And it's also helps you as the speaker to remember what you're going to say and what your next point is. Because it's, you're going to see the L, you're going to see the E or whatever it is, and you're going to jog your memory and be able to respond and remember. So it works great for the speaker and for your audience. But how to use them, that's the key. Now, you can use an acronym from the top down. So I could start with the L in leads and go down. I could start with the S and go up. Or I could mix it up and start with the E if I wanted to. So you don't have to go top down. But here's what you absolutely need to do is be clear where you are. So if I was going to start with the E, I'm going to be very clear and say, we're going to spell out the word leads. But I'm going to start with the E. The E stands for expert. So you have to be very, very clear so you don't lose your audience. So that's why, the why and the how of how to use acronyms for your content. Now, this is success speaking principle number 5. So for the next 21 days, I am going to be, and I've already started, so we're up to number 5. You are going to get 21 speaking success principles. So tune in tomorrow for principle number 6. And in the meantime, I'd love you to join me at the $1 Million Speaker Summit, where you're going to get more tips like this. So bye for now. Go to $1millionspeakersummit.com. Bye for now.